What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to switch your language settings on Netflix Mobile. If your Netflix app is showing a language you don't understand, or you'd simply prefer to use it in a different language, here's exactly how to change it. First, open the Netflix app on your phone. At the bottom right corner, tap on My Netflix. This is the section where your profiles and settings are located. Now, look at the top right and tap on the three horizontal lines. From the list that appears, tap on Manage Profiles. It should be the first option. This will bring up a list of all the profiles on the account. Tap on the profile you want to change the language for. Once inside that profile settings, scroll down until you see Display Language. Tap on it, and you will see a list of all available language that Netflix supports. Choose the one you want by tapping on it. After that, go back and then press Done in the top right to save your changes. Netflix will then update the display language for that profile, and you should see your new language reflected throughout the app interface. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.